Hey guys, so today I'm gonna attempt to solve this clock puzzle. So let's start. Let's see what all in this cube. I won't call it a cube, I'll call it a puzzle. Let's see how it works. So there are these pins, 4 pins and 4 dials at the corners, and there are 9 these arrows. I call them arrows on both sides. So if I move few here these corner arrows move, and here all of them move. So them seems a bit scary about this puzzle. And what if I put these 2 up here? Now let's move. Only these 6 move, and at the back these 2 corners move. Actually I got the point. So now let's check diagonally. Oh, diagonal corners, and here also diagonal corners. Wow. So I got the point. Now let's see 3 up and 1 down, only 1 corner, and from here rest all the dials. So it's time for us to scramble the cube. Let's scramble randomly. I can say it's the biggest mistake of my life, scrambling a cube, which I don't have any idea how to solve it. I never watched any tutorial about it. So I think now it's scrambled properly. First, let us align all these dials which are inside. Not these are outside and these 4 are inside. Let's align them. I'll start from this black face. These 2 are already aligned. So let's align others also. I've put these 2 pins up, so these all 4 move, and I'll align these 2 with this one like this. They are in the same direction now. Now I'll keep this pin down and we'll do this pin up and match it with this dial. Done. Now the same thing I will do with this one. Wait, I did opposite. I would put these 2 dials up and these 2 down, and now all the center dials are in the same direction. Now they will be in the same direction now when I put all the 4 pins up. Now I have to do the same thing on the opposite side, but there's a problem. I'll move something here, and here they will also move, but I'll somehow manage it. So let's make cross here too. These 2 are up, so I'll align these 2 are aligned now. Now I'll keep this up and these 2 down, and now these 3 are in the same direction. Now I'll do it like this. Now these 4 in the same direction. Now here also I can say cross made. Now they will be in same direction on 12 o'clock. I think this mark is for 12 o'clock only, this red marks here. And here also I'll align them now. Wait. Yeah. So both side cross made. Now I have to align the corner pieces. For that I have to put 1 pin down, and I'll align this corner piece now like this. I'll move all of them in the direction of that corner piece. Is it done? Yeah. Now I have to do this corner piece now. So this one down and this up, and the opposite on this dial will be moving now, and now this one done. and now this one up and this one down because I have to do this corner piece, and now same direction, and now this down and this up, and they are all in same direction now. And I'm about to solve this cube, and it's solved. Yeah, it was pretty easy. Just we have a bit of we have to just figure out how each and every dial move here, and it's a pretty fun cube. It's nice cube, and now I'll practice it more and more and do time solve of this. And goodbye, take care, and in next video I'll be solving the 3x3x5 cube which I unboxed in my previous video. So goodbye, take care, meet in the next video.